How do you wire a trolling motor plug? If you are looking to wire a trolling motor plug, you are in the right place. This task is essential for connecting your motor to the battery system. Let's break down the steps to make this process easy and straightforward. First, it is important to understand the components involved. A trolling motor typically operates on a 12-volt, 24-volt, 36-volt, or 48-volt system. The plug connects the motor to the battery, so getting this right is key for proper function. Before you start, always disconnect the batteries. This step is vital to prevent any accidental short circuits while you work on the wiring. Safety first. Next, identify the type of plug you have. Most trolling motors use a 2-prong plug, but some may have a 3-prong setup. The third wire is often for additional functions, like a status light. Now let's connect the plug to the battery. For a 12-volt system, take the positive wire, usually red, and connect it to the positive terminal of your battery. Then, connect the negative wire, typically black, to the negative terminal. If you have a 24-volt system, you will need 12-volt batteries connected in series. Connect the positive wire from the plug to the positive terminal of the first battery. Then, connect the negative terminal of the first battery to the positive terminal of the second battery. Finally, connect the negative wire from the plug to the negative terminal of the second battery. Adding circuit protection is another important step. Use a circuit breaker or fuse to protect your wiring and motor from overcurrent conditions. This should be installed between the battery and the plug to ensure safety. Once everything is connected, make sure all the wiring is secure. Protect your connections from moisture by using heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. This will help prevent corrosion and ensure reliable operation. When installing your trolling motor, route the wiring safely to avoid damage from water or mechanical stress. Regularly inspect the wiring for any signs of wear or corrosion. If you see any damage, replace those components promptly to keep your system running smoothly. By following these steps, you can wire a trolling motor plug effectively, ensuring your boat's electrical system is in great shape. Enjoy your time on the water, knowing your trolling motor is ready to go.